happy fall. Hello, I am back. And I don't even know how to start a YouTube video because I'm trying to get rid of my old intro,
Hi, welcome back to my YouTube channel. My name is Rocio, and if you're new here, I post new videos every Tuesday.
I'm trying to get rid of that. So, hello, I am back. Whew, it's been a while. I've been going through it. I've been going through some things, some changes. Just know that I'm good. I am very good right now. I'm actually at one of the best points in my life that I have been in the past few months. I was actually kind of going through it the past few months. Mentally, physically, I got sick like 2 times. Anyways, other than that, I started a personal training course, which I'll say in my video what's gonna be happening with that. But let's get into the video because I'm bringing you guys a fall-inspired makeup look today. Let's just jump right into the video. I have my coffee here. We recently got a espresso machine. I don't know if they're watching this, but Eleni and David, if you're watching this, thank you. I no longer have to go to Starbucks in the morning. So I am drinking my coffee while I do this to kind of keep my energy up. I have 1,000,001 things to do today, and I'm done leaving YouTube as the last thing to do. So I'm starting off my morning with this. That's enough talking, let's get started. I look very pale. I know the last time I was on here, I think I was a nice toasted orange color. I'm definitely pale. I haven't been out in the sun. I've been doing a lot at home. I'm gonna start off with the Clarins UV Plus sunscreen. You guys know that I use this literally every single day. This is in the color medium. Okay, now to fully start off this makeup look, I am gonna be using the Milani Prime Light Face Primer. This was in my drugstore makeup video, and I absolutely love it. I've actually been using it a lot. I don't know if you guys have been keeping up with me on Instagram, but something that I've totally been doing this month is the 31 days of Halloween makeup challenge. And let me tell you, it's a challenge. I already missed like 2 days because with school and literally working from home right now, I'm like trying to multitask. It's a lot, but it's super fun, and I feel like it's totally let my creative side out a little bit, and it's definitely helped improve like my makeup, I guess. Like, I'm so much better at doing certain looks, and I'm a lot better at drawing on my face than I thought I would be. I can't draw on paper, but I can definitely draw a little thing on my eyebrow. So the next thing I'm gonna use is the Estee Lauder Double Wear Stay in Place Foundation. This is in the color 3N2 Wheat. And now I can catch you guys up. So other than doing the 31 days of Halloween makeup, which I would love it if you guys kept up with me on that to see all my looks that I've been doing. My Instagram is at total.beauty.essentials. I'm starting something very new and exciting, and I kind of want to talk about it right now, but like at the same time I kind of want to wait until I'm like almost done with it. At the same time I'm like, why wait? And I'm also gonna start posting videos about it. So like, okay, I'm taking a course to be a certified personal trainer. If you know me personally, you know I love to work out and I love all things fitness and health. To go along with that, I am gonna start posting fitness videos and fitness/health related videos every Friday on this channel. So you can kind of expect beauty and makeup things, fashion, lifestyle on Tuesdays, and on Fridays it'll be all things health and fitness related. So if you guys want to keep up with that, I will be posting that on every Friday on this channel, starting this Friday. So if you haven't already, click that subscribe button because you don't want to miss out on Friday's video. Next thing I'm going in with is my Born This Way concealer in medium nude by Too Faced, and the Benefit Boiing Cakeless concealer in number 5. Next thing I'm gonna go in with to kind of contour my face a little bit is gonna be the Infallible Pro Glow concealer by L'Oreal Paris, and this is in the color Cream Cafe. So I like to use this to kind of cream contour my face. So adding some color and depth right here. Definitely contouring this. Okay, now to set under my eyes, I'm gonna use the Fit Me Matte and Poreless powder. I think this is like a powder foundation. It's just a pressed powder. And this is by Maybelline New York. I'm just gonna take some of this, lightly pat it under my eyes. This was always too light for my skin color and I didn't know how to use it until I figured this out literally last month. And I was like, oh my god, I love the way this looks. I'm gonna use a little bit of my Too Faced Chocolate Soleil bronzer. This is in medium deep. Obviously this is super old and I've used it like a million times. We're gonna use that a little bit to set this here. And just a little bit on my forehead to add some more color. Bring it to my cheeks just to warm up the look. So now that that's done, we're gonna go ahead and I'm gonna use the Wet n Wild Photofocus translucent powder and bake my face. So while I let this sit on my face for a bit, I'm gonna start going in on my brows. I'm gonna be using the Maybelline New York Brow Ultra Slim Defining Pencil. I think this is in the color medium brown. What I like to start doing is brush these upward, and with this part right here, just kind of fill this in. Fill in some blank spots. I honestly just do this to add a little bit more color because when I do my eyeshadow, then I feel like my eyebrows look too light. I'm gonna go in with my M Cosmetics Flexi Brow Gel. I'm trying to have my eyebrows not super like the soap brows that people have been doing, but a little bit more messy. Okay, so to get into the eyes, I'm gonna still use both of these concealers and put them on the back of my hand just to kind of start prepping my eyelids, and I'll show you how you do that. So I'm gonna use this little flat brush here, and on top of my eyelids, I'm just gonna start patting this on. And this is how I like to prepare my eyelids for their look. Okay, so I kind of want to do like a light brown smoky look because I do want to go in with maybe a little bit of a darker lip today. So I feel like going lighter on the eyes is definitely going to help me be able to go darker on my lips, just because I prefer to keep things a little bit equal. Now I am going to use the Morphe 350 palette, and it looks like this. Major fall color vibes. It is an older palette, but I still definitely enjoy using this for my fall eyeshadow looks. I think I'm gonna go in this brown color right here. I believe it's called Wannabe. Put this on my outer crease, bringing it into the inner crease. I like to kind of pat it in there and slowly start moving in. I'll actually zoom in so that you can see what I'm doing. So I'm gonna do the same thing on this eye. I wanna go in with a more of a maroon color to kind of match my shirt. Okay, I think I'm gonna be using the Morphe by James Charles palette. I'm using this color right here, which is the closest to a maroonish color that I'm gonna get right now. I just want to have a little bit here on the outer corners and blend in just a little bit in the crease to the middle part of my eye and blend outwards just a bit. Now I'm going to do the same on this eye, bringing it up a little bit towards my brow bone. Whatever's left on the brush in the inner corners. I think I'm going to go in with a little bit more of my concealer that's still on the back of my hand and kind of put it in my inner corner here. So it's kind of like a cut crease. Like half a cut crease. I think I'm gonna use this color right here. I was thinking of using this one, but I might mix the two and see how it turns out. And I'm gonna blend out this harsh line just a little bit. Okay, so I've blended these harsh lines. I'm gonna blend this into the inner corner just a bit more. Just gonna blend out. Now I do want a little bit of shimmer, at least in my inner corners, but first I am gonna dust off all of this because it's been setting for a while. So I'm gonna go ahead and take this off and I'll be right back. Okay, so to keep going on with this, I'm gonna use the LA Girl Glide Gel Liner. This is in the color brown. Usually with fall looks, I like to use brown liners. I just feel like it brings everything together a little bit more, but I am gonna tightline my eyes and line my whole waterline. Now, again, I'm gonna take some of this brown color that I used earlier and bring this to use on top of everything here, near my brow bone. And now I'm gonna use the brown that I was just using mixed in with a little bit of the burgundy-ish color that I used in the James Charles palette. And I'm gonna use that right under here in my lower lash line. So now for the shimmer that I wanna add in my inner corners, I'm gonna use the Through My Eyes palette. This was by Colourpop and Iluvsarahii. And the colors in here are absolutely beautiful. This is a little bit of an older palette also, but who's here to judge, you know? If you are.
Please.
Anyways, I'm gonna use this color here. It's called Lucido. I'm gonna use it just in my inner corner here. I'm gonna use just a little bit right here on the middle of my eye. And I'm using that same goldish color for my brow bone. Now for my mascara, I'm gonna go in with the Too Faced Better Than Sex mascara and also the Fenty Beauty Full Frontal mascara. This is just a regular black color, and the Fenty one is in the color Cause I'm Black. I'm gonna use the Too Faced one first. Now a little bit of the Fenty mascara. I'm still feeling like I wanted a lighter bit in the front of my eyes, but I feel like I should finish the look before I try and touch up the eyes again. For a little tiny bit of blush, I don't have a color that's super fall. Like I really wanted like a nice orange color. I have a cream blush here by Stila. It's in the color Camillia. It's kind of old. It's a cream blush. Okay, that's actually kind of good. I'm gonna use a little bit of my bronzer brush to kind of finish blending that out, but not bad. Next thing I'm gonna go in with is my Becca Ignite highlighter. This is in the color Creativity. Right now I'm gonna use the L'Oreal Paris True Match LUMI powder. This is also a little old. Now the last thing I'm gonna do is line my lips. I'm using the L'Oreal Color Rich lip liner, and this is in Toffee to Be. And then this is a really old lipstick that I have. It is the Smashbox Cognac.
Legendary lipstick, the color Cognac. I don't know what that is. I think I'm saying it wrong.
And I like to use flat eyeshadow brush to kind of clean up around my lips. So, and I'm just gonna spray a little bit of rose water, but to be honest guys, I'm staying at home right now, so I'm not gonna be using my setting spray. The setting spray I like to use is the Wet n Wild Photofocus Natural Finish Setting Spray, but since I'm not going out and I still have 2 other makeup looks to do for today, I think I'm just gonna stick with my rose water. All right, so this is the finished look. Let me give you guys a little close up, but this is the eyeshadow. So overall, this is the finished look. I love how the lip color kind of matches my shirt a little bit. Kind of really like that. I'm loving how these colors turned out. This is super fall, and I never go with a dark lip, so this is a little bit out of my comfort zone. Overall, I hope you guys enjoyed this video, and I hope you will join me on my makeup fitness journey, because keep in mind, this Friday is gonna be one of my first fitness related videos, and I would love it if you guys join me on this journey and you click that subscribe button down below, as well as the notification bell to be notified when I do post more videos. I hope everybody's staying safe and healthy, and I will see you guys all next Tuesday. No, sorry, Friday. That's why you gotta turn on the notification bell. All right, mwah, bye.